Achim Steiner, Administrator of the United Nations Development Programme. I think a great deal, and this is a tribute also to the Commission at the time, because not only did it break new ground in terms of HIV, it also opened the eyes to the importance of law, of justice and rights in moving from a punishment perspective on some of the phenomena that we face today related to health and phenomena such as HIV, protection, to actually enabling people to be understood in a broader context where we don't look at the support we provide only in terms of medical treatment, but understand that it is part of a wider context in which people may have found themselves in a very difficult situation, and therefore solidarity, the protection of the law, access to services and justice are fundamental to actually succeeding. Well, in some ways we now have the conditions in the way that member states have formulated Agenda 2030, the Sustainable Development Goals. They are inclusive, they are universal, and they speak to many of the lessons that we learned, sometimes painfully also, in addressing HIV, which is that you cannot only treat it as a singular phenomenon, as a symptom of one particular cause. You need to understand that people operate in social, in environmental and economic conditions, that if we address them from a joined-up approach, we are far more likely to succeed. So I think the prospect by 2030 of having fundamentally shifted the trajectory in addressing HIV is now absolutely possible.